How to use Ourtime dating site. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So if you're wondering how to use Ourtime dating site, here's a clear step guide from signing up and setting your profile to searching for matches. So let's go ahead and discuss about it. So Ourtime is a dating platform which is designed primarily for singles aged 50 and over, though anyone 18 plus can register. Its tagline is dating for mature singles, with features tailored to older adults. It is owned by Match Group, the same company behind Match.com, OkCupid, Hinge, and plenty of fish. Profiles on Ourtime may also appear across Match platforms. So you need to go ahead and visit ourtime.com first and then sign up to your account and create an account. For that, you need to provide your country, your age, zip or postal code, name, email, and password. You can go to my YouTube channel and see the other video where I have posted about creating an account on Ourtime. So once you're done creating your account and your account is verified, you need to go ahead and set up your profile. For that, you need to go ahead and open your profile, tap on the profile in the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and write a clear, engaging intro paragraph about what you enjoy, your values, or what you're looking for. Also, do not forget to add high quality photos to your profile, showing your face and interest to get more attention. You can go to Discover or Search page, and by default, it uses the criteria from your profile, but you can customize the preference for age, distance, appearance, lifestyle, and interest. As a free user, you can also browse profiles and send a limited number of likes, but can't view who liked you or you message most members. And about the pricing and membership, the membership lets you browse and like profiles but restricts messaging and viewing, but the paid plans vary from $12.99 per month if paying upfront for 12 months or $24.99 to $119 for 3 to 6 months packages, depending on the promotions and discounts. Pricing differs by country, so check current rates in your region. As Ourtime is owned by Match Group, which has faced errors for data sharing and privacy practices, they allow simple passwords and have limited profile verification features. So Ourtime is easy to use and tailored to users 50 and up with practical search tools and straightforward design. A paid subscription is necessary to properly engage but may be worth it if you find compatible, active profiles. Reviews are mixed. Some people found matches, others reported scam profiles or poor activity. Take time, be persistent, and use caution when interacting. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.